Welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to reset your Netflix password. If you don't remember what password that you set for your Netflix account, you can easily reset and create a new password within a couple of steps. So for that, we're gonna open up netflix.com, open up your web browser and search for netflix.com. From the website of Netflix, all you do is click on the sign in button, which is on the top right. Now it's gonna give you a sign in box. You just need to click on need help, and it's gonna show you two ways that you can reset your password. Either you can use your email address, or you can also use your phone number to reset your password. Just choose your preferred method. For this video, I'm going to use my email address. Just click on email me. Now an email address will be sent to your email that you just entered. Make sure that this is the correct email that you used previously while creating an account. As you can see, I have received this password reset email on my email address. If you also have received it, you will see on the inbox section. If you don't see it in the inbox, make sure you also check it on the spam folder. Click on reset password. It's going to give you a section where you can now create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 6 characters long, and again re-enter it. Beneath the re-enter box, you'll see a box which says sign out of all devices. If you want to be signed out of all the previous devices that you have logged into Netflix, then make sure you check this box. If you don't want that to happen, you can uncheck it and then click on save. And there you go, as easy as that, your password of Netflix has been reset. Now all you do is click on the sign in button and log into your account using the new password that you just created. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.